Okay, the next step is create the shipping plan. So I'll show you how you can how you need to do on the system to create a shipping plan to ship all these products to Amazon, and after that Amazon will receive and start selling it for you. Okay, so far we already registered all the inventory right here on the prior video, and we also print the labels. We place one label in every single product in the top of the original barcode. So now next step is creating the shipping plan. So let's select all these products I have here, and because I have all these products and I need to send to Amazon right now. Okay, so we select the products that we want, we go to actions, and we say send replenish inventory. Okay, now the system is showing a list of all the products we select. So we make sure it's all good and we click on send inventory. Okay, perfect. Now the system is adding the products to the plan. That's good. And here you can see at the top the steps that we need to do to complete the shipment. Okay, so let's see. All products, information required and removal required. So basically this information required, if we click on here, we will see the system will show any products that require extra information, right? We don't see any here specifically. And removal required is there are products that are not allowed on Amazon, so it will be here if it's required to remove. So let's go to all products here. So now it's asking for the quantity. See, please enter the quantity of the items you are sending. So this is the good thing. You can enter, let's say you have one of each, but I have hundreds of items here. So basically, if you go to the first line and you enter number 1 here, it will copy the number to all the other products. And if you have, let's say you have 2 of these, you can correct and say, no, I have 2 of these and I have 5 of these. So the system will know exactly how much you have. So scroll down, it's saying that we have 105 products. Click on continue. We are going to the next step, the prepare products. So in order to prepare your products, you need to go to the prepare products section and you will see all the videos step by step for every different category. What are the requirements from Amazon that you need to follow in order to prepare the product properly, okay? So in this case, for example, in the prepare product, we see the system is showing that for this product we need a specific bag in here. See, place the product in a transparent bag and protect it from damage, okay? And also is saying that we need to have a suffocation warning on the adhesive on the bag. Just for kids, sometimes kids can have an accident with that. So if you have the suffocation warning, it protects you in case anything happens. Okay, so for this specific product, I need to do the bagging. And in here you can see who is preparing, Amazon or merchant. So in this case, I put merchant. That means I will prepare the product. If I select Amazon, they will charge me some money in order to prepare this for me, okay? So I don't want to pay extra, so I will do it myself, and I click on next, continue in this case. So it's going to the label products. In this case, guys, if you didn't label your products before, we had a video before about labeling products, explaining how you can label, how you can print, where you can buy the label sheet. And if you didn't label that time, you can do it right now. So basically, when you are in this step, you see that you have the number of labels for each one, and all you need to do is scroll to the bottom and click, make sure the 30 up labels is selected, and click on print label page, and it will generate the label page for us. Take a look here. So we have all the labels here. So basically, all you need to do is get these labels and place in the top of the original barcode in every one of these products. Okay, when you are ready, click on next. But before doing that, I want to show you something here. At the top, you can see who is preparing this? In this case, it's merchant or Amazon. You can, in case you are buying from China, for example, from Alibaba, and you are shipping directly to Amazon, let's say the factory is shipping to Amazon. In this case, you can probably select Amazon here. So they will prepare, they will put the label for you on every single product, okay? In this case, you will save some money on shipping, because you don't need to ship from China to your home or to your office and after that to Amazon. It's directly to Amazon. And you pay here and Amazon will place the labels for you. In this case, if you are doing the regular stuff, merchant, this is you, and you are putting the labels, so it's cheaper. So next, let's go scroll down and click on continue. So we go to the next step, which is review the shipments, okay? In this case, the system is creating a shipping plan for the different Amazon fulfill centers, okay? Because Amazon have different fulfill centers around the country. In this case, you see that we are preparing 3 boxes basically. And one is going to Chester, another one is going to Phoenix, and another one is going to Tennessee, okay? So the price is almost the same depending on the distance between your original location and the distribution center. But in my experience, it doesn't change too much, okay? So basically here, guys, what you are doing is you need to select, you can view the shipment contents here. So in this box, you will need to place these products. In the next box, you need to place all these products. And the last box, these ones here. So basically the system calculates what's best for you. And the algorithm calculate to distribute all your products around the country. So basically, if you have some products from Tennessee and somebody from Florida, or actually for Georgia, place an order, it will be faster and cheaper to ship from Tennessee and not from any other state, right? So that's why the system on Amazon calculates everything for you. So basically here you can say that you approve the shipments, and the system is thinking about it. Validating plan, okay, let's see. So here we have the three shipping plans, okay? So next step is you need to click on every one of these and you need to say work on shipment. So in here you can review and modify the units. So if you click here, you can see the units and you can modify if you want. I recommend you to leave it like this. But in case you don't want to send this anymore, you can just click on X here and it will remove the item from the package, okay? So shipping method, the small parcel delivery, if you are shipping individual boxes, if you are shipping a truck of shipment of more than 150 pounds, in this case you can select this, but most of your shipments will be this, the small parcel delivery. On the shipping carrier, Amazon have a partnership with UPS. So basically the shipping price using UPS, because it's a Amazon partners carrier, it will be really cheap. On my case, guys, I pay around 30 to 40 cents per pound. So basically, if I send a box of 40, 50 pounds, I pay between 10, 11, $12. So it's really cheap. And you can, it's just selling one unit sometimes that it inside the box, you already pay for the shipping cost, okay? Also, you can use other carriers. So here are other carriers, but I recommend you to use the UPS if you are in the US. If you are outside, of course, you can use any other carrier here. But if you are in the US, use the UPS, it's cheap. And also they have warranty. So I have an experience that they have insurance. So if something happened with your products during shipping, they will replace it for you. They will pay the whole amount of the product. They will return to your Amazon account and you will be fine. So that's are the advantages of using the Amazon partner carrier, UPS in this case, okay? So basically, guys, you need to weigh your box. When you prepare your box with all these items here, next step is to weigh the box, right? So let's say the box is 25 pounds, okay? And you need to measure the box. So let's say it's 20 by 20 by 15, okay? And when you have that, you can add another box. So let's say all these units doesn't fit in one box only. You have small boxes, so you can add a second box if you want, and you can put the weight, you can put the dimensions of the box and everything, and it calculates the total weight in pounds. So let me delete this. Basically, on my experience, they charge you for the pound. Doesn't matter too much the dimensions, and we can take a look on that. If you go to step number 4 and you click on calculate, it will calculate the price for 25 pounds on for shipping, okay? So you see that it's 905. On this case, next step is to click I agree with the terms and conditions, and you can read it if you want before clicking in here. And when you say I accept the charges, let's do this. It will, okay, charges accepted, and you can print the box labels. And look this, you have 23 hours and 59 minutes left if you wish to void the shipping charges. That means if you, for some reason, if you don't want to proceed with this, you can void this transaction. And how to do this? All you need to do is click on void. Let me print this here first, just in case. So this is how the shipping label looks like, okay? So you can print this and put outside the box. And let me void this transaction because it's just for demonstration. So it's voiding the charges, and that's it. It's all done. So next, when you are done with this, you can click on complete shipment. And after that, you are going back to here, okay? So when you are done with this, you can go to the second shipment and do exactly the same procedure that we did on the first one. And when you are with the 3 complete, you can print the shipping labels for the 3 boxes. Make sure you cover every single barcode that is outside the box. On your box, if you see barcodes, you need to cover that, okay? Because Amazon have some machines that read the codes on the treadmill. So when the package arrives on the distribution center, the only barcode that needs to be scannable is the barcode from the shipping from UPS, okay? So the one that you print on here. So in this case, make sure you cover all the barcodes on your box. And when you are done with this, all you need to do is go to the UPS store, any UPS store, and just drop your box there and they will deliver for you. When the box gets to Amazon, you will receive an email from Amazon saying that your box is there and they are receiving your inventory. And when they completely receive your inventory, you will have another email saying that everything is good, that Amazon is already selling your products.